in just a moment today's video. But first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We are inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, compliments of our self-growth school, Zen Ed Academy, where we feature a huge catalog of courses and certifications to help you constantly improve yourself in your self-growth. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to today's video. Hey guys, today we're talking about transforming anger into light. When we have anger that is lingering, like a lingering anger, we can give it to the earth and transmute it. Our lingering anger may be something that takes more time to process through than we have in this moment. As long as we're aware and we keep working on that anger, that's what's important. But in the meantime, sometimes you need to flush it out so you can function, right? So giving it to the earth and allowing the earth to help you process that anger can be really, really helpful, okay? It's not just for fairies and hippies and yoga babies. It works for everybody. Another aspect to giving your anger to the earth in partnership with processing it is that the earth itself can help you transmute that anger into a new purpose. Let's talk about it. As humans, we all have anger, sometimes more than others, right? Sometimes more people have more anger than other people, but sometimes we have more anger at certain times than at other times. Sometimes it just rises up and it's an old anger that's ready to be heard. A healthy way of purging our anger when we are ready or we need a break, sometimes we just need a break from the purging, from processing from our bodies, is to give it to Mother Earth. Let Mother Earth help you through the process. We can imagine ourselves being grounded, right? As the electrical energy passes from us into Mother Earth, that extra electrical energy from that anger, let it pass through you into the earth. Being grounded. We can sort of almost see that energy going straight to the earth's core, you know, all that lava, where it can become part of this continuous growth process of our planet and us in partnership, and is transformed from negative to positive, from dark to light. So when we choose to give our anger to the earth in this way, in sort of a partnership that helps us heal and progress and evolve, we trust our connection with the natural world that we live in and the universe that fuels all of it. The earth is below us, right? It's supporting us and sustaining us, and we all have the opportunity to physically connect by going outdoors and touching unpaved ground, you know, where there's like actual nature, dirt, grass, rocks, that kind of thing, where you might find it easier to connect to nature's natural energy flow. But you can connect to her anywhere you are, even flying up in an airplane. It is usually easier to receive the flow of positive, calm, healing energy when we take a moment to empty that anger overflow, you know, just empty the reserve tanks. So to begin this process, just sit and breathe deeply. Right? Ask Mother Earth to accept your anger. Sometimes it's kind of good to start a conversation and imagine it coming down your spine and out your tailbone and into the earth's deep core. And when you finish, be sure to honor and thank the earth for her loving service. It does help to do this with a conversation, like, thanks for doing this, dude. Well, she's not a dude, she's a mother, right? So, I don't know. Mothers can be dudes. Another thing is, don't feel bad about giving it to her. You know what I mean? This is what she does. She has no problem with turning that excess energy into fertilizer. It's part of her gig. So when we work with our anger this way, along with conscious emotional processing, we acknowledge that, like everything else, it is merely energy that can be used positively or negatively. The earth already knows this and is just waiting for us to figure it out. So during a grounding meditation, such as I just kind of briefly described to you, you may be given direction to channel this energy in a certain way for change, positive change, and that the earth can help you cleanse any misplaced energy that you have to use for better purpose, for positive change. So when we do this with gratitude, we connect ourselves with the energy of our home soil, our planet, and nurture the earth as it nourishes us. As we connect and commune and check in As always, guys, I am here with you, creating a safe space for us to feel good and move through the future day by day and what we have to get through. Love you guys. Thanks for being here with me, and let's talk again tomorrow.
Just a reminder to take a moment and smash on that subscribe button, and don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge. Compliments of Zen Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive PhD-backed education to improve your life and level up your skills. Emotional processing, stronger intuition, self-trust. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.